Making decisions for mature platforms like F3B is not straightforward. Strategies are a combination of future choices, each with different technical and commercial complexities, leading to a range of possible outcomes in terms of economics, unit operating cost, COP, and carbon footprint. For F3B, the strategic question is how a future regional hub function can be enabled within Neptune's corporate business drivers and constraints. We have developed a decision support tool as a capability to give deeper insight into the option space and to help make quality decisions as and when these need to be made. Let's show you how this can work. Through investments in a riser tower concept and optionality, Neptune can enable different regional hub functions. One choice could be to invest in an oil hub, enabling tiebacks of, for example, F17 or F6 ISO, but requiring a larger riser tower. Another choice could be to focus on a gas hub function with F5 and F4 as tieback opportunities, requiring a smaller and lower cost riser tower. In some strategies, there are options to rationalize OPEX. Equity deals could be possible enablers or business opportunities. And electrification, in line with Neptune's ESG drivers, could be key to attract opportunities and lower the exposure to carbon taxation. What immediately becomes clear is that F3B has a wide range of COP dates, from late 2020s to beyond 2050. It is important to keep in mind that late COP dates, in combination with electrification, may enable a repurposing of the infrastructure. The economic trade-off chart indicates a clear choice between maximizing lifecycle value and reserves versus maximizing profitability and investment efficiency. When we filter out the strategies that are never going to be attractive, we are left with two distinct groups. For one group, the strategic choices lead to a gas-focused hub, with F5 exploration being the key enabler. Profitability index is high, but regional oil opportunities may be at risk of becoming stranded, and COP is in the range of 2035 to 2040. On the flip side, technical and commercial complexity is quite low. A second group consists of strategies that transform F3B into a mixed gas-oil hub for the area. Reserves potential and lifecycle value are higher for these strategies, in particular with price upside. COP is delayed significantly, but current complexities are also high, which warrants additional work or studies. Capital investments for both groups are significantly different and may be a constraint for certain choices or for the phasing of these choices. The decision support tool can be used to test what-if scenarios. What-if scenarios such as, what is the impact of F5 being unsuccessful? The impact of F5 on value is immediately very clear, hence the importance of this year's exploration well. In case of negative outcomes of F5A and B, the strategic direction for F3 may shift towards F4C deep or enabling F6 ISO, if profitability index is important. We can also use the tool to test the impact of different tariffs and to use that insight to position Neptune and the F3 venture in negotiations with others. These are just examples. Exploration outcomes, commercial developments in the area, and further studies will contribute to shaping the future of F3B. Decision support tools like this give Neptune a capability to support quality decision making in such a changing environment.